Hi there, I'm gonna show in this video tutorial how to unlock Tcl T311A. As usual, we have here one sample. This specific sample is locked to Claro, and as you can see, it is requesting for the unlock code. In order to unlock it, I'm going to use FURIOUSGOLD box and the SPD service tool from pack 2 of FURIOUSGOLD. Let's start by selecting our model, and from the operations I'm going to select remove SIM lock. Also be sure that you have the drivers installed and that you have purchased multi-purpose logs for this operation. One log is needed in order to unlock this specific model. So once I powered off the phone, I'm going to click connect on the software, and now I'm going to keep press 1 and 4 buttons and insert the USB cable in the powered off device. And if everything is okay, the device gets detected and the work starts. Okay, as you can see, the software informs us that we are going to be charged with one multi-purpose log. Also take care that the security check result is 0. If it's not 0, you need to go to debug mode and do a security repair prior to this operation. So now I'm going to click yes. So that's all, the process ended. It took around 2 minutes. Now let's see if the device got unlocked. So as you can see, we have here full signal. The phone is not requesting anymore for the code. We have Vodafone Romania here, so everything went okay. Thanks again for watching this video tutorial. Thanks for using our products. Bye bye.